Today we have a heck of a lot of things to do, guys. It is Easter weekend, it is Good Friday, and I am hosting a very big Easter dinner. And I would like for you guys to get it all done with me in case you guys are also hosting something. Hopefully this can give you a little bit of motivation. So here we go. So this is the hallway to my kids' rooms. I washed and cleaned the filters for my vacuum, so I have to put that back together and sweep and mop this up. And then, honestly, I don't even know why I started this. I just, while my kids were doing school, took everything out of their hallway closet. That's my son's room. This is their bathroom, but it's also the guest bathroom. And then this is my daughter's room. So then this closet is just their towels and blankets, but it's been a mess. And so for some reason I decided to work on this. It has nothing to do with my Easter dinner, but now it does because I made a mess. So I need to get this cleaned up and sorted. So as you guys know, during spring cleaning, we like to get into every room by room and really give it a nice good cleaning. So this closet here, we have been shoving blankets and pillowcases and comforters and extra stuff in there all year round. And so I really been wanting to get rid of the extras that we have. There's a lot of new bed sheets my kids have received, and so I need to get rid of some of the old ones. I like to keep like 2 comforters per child and maybe like 3 towels per child, and bed sheets. Bed sheets are thin, so what I do is I just shove the bed sheet set inside its pillowcase, and those can go in there, but they have about 3 each because any more with a family of 5 is just going to create way too much clutter. So whatever I am getting rid of is going to go in a big garbage bag, and we are going to just donate this stuff and get it down to the bare minimum. In this little plastic storage bin thingy, I am putting away a couple of extra comforters that we will use when my kids' cousins sleep over. Okay, we also need to talk about these liners in my shelf. So half of them have real shelf liners, and then I realized just now that I didn't have shelf liners covering the bottom ones, and these shelves need to be replaced because they were here since we moved here and they don't look the best. So I just did a temporary fix for today and put some aluminum foil on there just so that my bedding and things like that stay clean on the shelf until I can replace it or get some other shelf lining. The next room we're going to work on is our guest bathroom, but it's also 90% of the time it's just my kids' bathroom. So I did get a couple of little Easter towels here, but that's about all the Easter decor I have for this bathroom for right now, just the colors. Maybe next year we'll do a little bit more. I am just going to put all of their bath toys away. I have a little cabinet where I store their bath toys, and just get this bathroom nice and clean and hope that it stays that way until dinner on Sunday evening. don't mind the toilet seat. That stain, whatever it is, was there since we moved and it would not come out. We'll probably need to get a new toilet seat. I've scrubbed it, I've bleached it, I've done everything to it. At this point, I think it's just tarnished. I clean this tub almost every day with some Mrs. Meyer's since my daughter takes baths in here. But today I decided to give it a good scrub down with some Ajax cleaner since I haven't done it in a while. I just don't like having chemical residue floating around in there when she's taking a bath. So I'm giving it really good rinse too. The last room I have energy for today is my laundry room / homeschool storage room. So since I'm still in the process of building my last shelf, which is actually going to get done after this video is posted, I'm going to move a lot of the storage stuff into that shelf and just be able to organize this room a lot better. But for now, we are just going to do the bare minimum so that I can actually walk in and out of this room. Okay guys, I am exhausted. It's funny how you can make these videos and it takes like 5 to 10 minutes to watch it, but it's like 4 hours real time. My elbow's hurting. Got a little bit of tennis elbow there or something from hitting it so much. I don't know why I hit it so much. It's the exact same elbow, but yeah, this house is big and the kids have separate rooms to do. My oldest daughter is supposed to. She's taking a vacuum. And the living room, carpet and dust, and put up my Easter pillowcases. So that won't be recorded, but hopefully you get to see what it looks like if she gets it done tonight. My husband's cooking dinner. That laundry room is a work in progress, like I explained. So I am going to rest now, watch a show with my 7-year-old because everyone else is busy. And after that one episode, I am going to sit on the floor and fold all of those clothes because I'm really working hard on trying to put away the laundry the same day. I am not putting their clothes away, but I'm going to be nice enough to fold it for them. It's just my youngest two, my husband and I. My oldest daughter does her own clothes, but I don't put it away for them anymore. It's too much. Like, I have too much to do. So, but that's it for the spring cleaning part 1. So we did the kids' bathroom, the kids' hallway, kids / guest bathroom hallway closet, a little bit of the laundry room, and yeah, some laundry. So thank you guys for watching. We'll continue to do this until my house gets to where it needs to be. All right guys, hope I motivated you, you motivated me, and I'll see you in the next video.